fucking delicious.
Delicious. Oh my god. What's up, everybody? Today we are going to do another video of food. And last time it was, what was it? Indian food, right? Indian food. But today we're gonna be doing
Persian food.
Persian food. There you go. Yeah. And there's some of my favorite things in there. But maybe we'll try something different and show you guys how good it is. Persian food is good too.
We're outside of the restaurant right now, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna order. We'll show you guys what we order. Right now it's raining, so let's just go inside.
Yeah, get in there before it starts dripping.
Yeah, my makeup started dripping.
All right, so let's get to it. Point at the finger. Which one are you gonna get?
Getting this one. I'm gonna get this. So we're back at home with our Persian food. Took us forever. Okay, let's start with our drink. We got the Persian drink. It's called Duk. I hope they didn't give us carbonated because I like the regular one. But let's open it.
Pretty good. It's her favorite, but it's pretty good.
Open it. Hold it like this. I think it's carbonated. It's carbonated. I want regular.
But it's still delicious.
I got 2 straw. Unless you don't want it. Straw.
Let's try it with the straw.
They give us carbonated. I like regular one.
Yeah, the regular one tastes way better.
Yeah.
So, we got like 2 different kinds of plates. We'll probably be sharing food. I mean, God, my mouth is like
Watering.
dripping. It's dripping.
So, let's start with the thing that they give us house salad.
They give us
like
a house
bagel salad. That's nice of them. This one is, let me open it.
That's my favorite, which is the funny thing, because tell them.
Okay, I had a boyfriend. I had an ex-boyfriend who was Persian, and he used to love gourmet sabzi. So that's what it is. It's gourmet sabzi. It's like some kind of stew. I don't know what it is. He used to love it. He used to tell me, like, every time he used to go Persian food on any relative's house, the only reason he used to go for this. And one time I took him to Persian food and I told him, like, my ex liked it. And he tried it and he fell in love.
My favorite too.
That's so funny.
Isn't that funny?
He was like, oh shit, that guy has taste. I don't know what that is. I forgot. I think it's the appetizer that we ordered, but didn't look like that though on the picture.
Yeah, I think it is. And it came with the breads. With these.
Somebody's texting me.
These over here. It came along with these.
With the breads? Oh, it came with that?
This is so good. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys, that you can't see the bread. But you know what? You know what? Let me put the salad away because... But either way, it's delicious. And
I want salad.
Put the bread right here.
And they give us onion. They gave us like chopped onion. We both like onion. They give us a lot of butter, which I know that, if I'm not wrong, the way Persians eat it, they put like the butter inside the hot rice.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, you put it underneath the hot rice, and then the hot rice, it melts the butter, and actually it tastes really good. We used to do it too. Bengalis does it too, but not like they do it, but it tastes really good. But I know Persian does it. That's what they give us too. So, okay, that's our plate. He got lamb chop.
I got lamb chop, so we'll show you guys right now.
And I got the chicken and beef kebab, and has rice underneath.
Wow, look at the size of that thing. Oh my god.
I'm gonna dive today.
Yeah.
Let's dive into it. I like that they have like the barbecue tomato. You can smell the barbecue, right? You have the barbecue tomato, barbecue onion. Okay, let's serve it. I'll eat this for sure.
They separated the rice and all that good stuff from...
That's kind of nice actually. I like the packing, the way they packed it. They put really the meat and the vegetable on top and the salad on foil and the rice is underneath, so rice still stay hot.
So I think I'm gonna do the same thing what she's doing. We're gonna put all this in the middle.
I was taking it my plate. Also thinking.
And I think we can just like, you know, try and share, right? Try our stuff.
Oh, let's put this. It says all the vegetables and stuff. I'll put this aside. Okay, now let's open up the butter. So we're gonna put the butter underneath the rice, okay?
So it can melt and stuff?
Yeah, it tastes so bomb. The butter rice, have you tried it?
No.
We used to do it too, actually. But we used to do it with ghee, like grass-fed butter. So you put this. You just put it under, put rice on top.
Okay.
So it goes underneath. If you don't like butter, don't do it. You know? But I like it.
Yeah, I love butter.
I know he likes it too.
So just pour the rice on top, right?
Yeah.
So rice should be the hot thing.
Yep. So rice should melt it. And these are, oh, I'm glad they gave it to us. I don't know what is this. When you go to a Persian restaurant, you're gonna see this on the table, like condiment. You put it on top. It's like, you know how you put pepper on top? It's like you put it on top. It adds some kind of taste. Like I can explain it. I don't even know what that's called.
There's not pepper. Is it spicy?
No.
Does it give it like a chalk flavor?
Try it. I love
Just
it.
guessing. Try it.
You won't go wrong with this. Nice. Like a soury. Like a soury flavor.
Like
I don't know how to explain it. Like sour, right? Salty, sour.
Not a soury, but like a salty. Oh shit.
Has a kick.
Damn, put too much.
Okay, now let's dive into gourmet sabzi.
Dishes though, yeah.
Oh, so our gourmet sabzi, I asked them, does it have any meat? They said it could be vegetarian or could be, can have meat.
Yeah.
So the one we got has meat. They
Has
said
meat
bill, right? Something.
Yeah,
okay.
something veal, I don't know.
I don't even know what that is, but I want to try it.
It's meat. Something that.
So let's serve each other. That's how it is. And pick it up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it. Oh my god, it's been a while. I requested my so many Persian workers, like if they cook gourmet sabzi, because I heard it's really hard to cook. It takes a long time. If they cook it to bring me, nobody ever bring me.
Oh wow, really?
I heard it takes
So
one of
they'd
my
be
coworkers said it smelled the whole
cook,
house.
I'm gonna cook. What kind of dish you want? And you ask them, I want this. They'll be like, you want something else?
I don't know. They say it takes a long time and it makes the whole house smell or something. Fucking delicious.
Delicious. Oh my god.
Oh my god. If you have never had Persian food, you're missing out.
Yeah, the rice is good too. The rice is like longish. Something longish, you know? Like long rice.
Their tomato, the barbecue tomato.
Mm-hmm.
My god, you guys need to try barbecue tomato if you never did. Like when you do barbecue at home, just throw some tomato. Oh my god.
I'll try this out.
I don't even know how you're supposed to eat this. I think you're supposed to eat it with bread.
Let me see.
I don't know what it's called. How is it? I forgot what it's called.
I think with bread. By itself, it's not that tasty by itself.
Let me try it with bread.
I think like you need to mix it with like, you know,
That's what they give us bread for.
with bread. I love this stuff, this flat bread.
Kind of remind me of naan.
Yeah, by itself it's not so good, but with either bread or whatever you feel, and mix it here.
With rice
good,
maybe
yeah.
too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so bomb.
I know you guys are staring at me trying this stuff and I haven't taken a bite of the lamb, but you know what?
I'm gonna try this. The meat came on the gourmet sabzi. I don't even know what kind of meat it is.
Oh.
Let me try it.
Yeah, that's true. You know what I'm gonna do?
Oh my god.
A little bit of that. You know what else? A little bit of ranch. Oh
I want to put my hair up.
Oh man. Go look at that, look at that, look at that thing. It's dripping. Oh my god. Mmm.
Mm.
Oh my god, the lamb is so good. I love that.
Oh, if you're wondering what restaurant we went to,
Yeah.
it's called Shirin. Technically,
Shirin.
we wanted to go Rafi's because a lot of my coworkers, the Persian coworkers, they told me that that's really good. I heard from 3-4 people Rafi's place,
It's in Glendale.
but it was kind of far. We were like starving, so they told me there's another one in the valley that's also good. It's called Shirin restaurant. So that's the one we went to, and actually it's really good.
Yeah. It's not bad.
They also have a full bar if you guys drink. My favorite is definitely korma sabzi. These are good too, but... Oh, can I get ranch?
Yeah. Oh, there.
I think the ranch they give us for the salad. I think.
Oh,
But I don't think they eat it with
Yeah.
ranch.
that's true.
But you know, I like it this way.
Get a little bit of. Get some of this real quick. Sorry about that. Scoop, scoop. Cool thing about the onion, you have no utensils. if you don't, right? You can use the onion.
Everybody has it. Oh my god, they're so bomb.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. That is bomb.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I haven't tried my beef.
If you're gonna order lamb, you're seeing the way I'm eating it, right?
It has bone? Oh wow.
Yeah, it has a bone, so you're gonna have to,
I saw they had boneless.
Yeah.
It got the bone one.
you're gonna have the bone one, so you're gonna have to go dirty on this one. Get dirty. Mm.
The beef is good. We're supposed to share, we're not sharing. We're so into our own food.
You wanna try it out?
My god. The beef is bomb.
Try it a little bit. What is this?
It's chicken with beef.
Delicious, but it's a little bit different. Wanna try this? It's bomb, right?
Has a lot of flavor.
But it's so good. I don't know what kind of meat that guy said that's on the thing, but
It's the veal.
Mm.
I don't know what that is. Should have looked it up. Or asked him.
just in case. Eat first and then look it up.
Does it taste good?
It tastes good. What if it's monkey brain?
I just remember the word because they eat veal in France.
Mm. Mm. This is really good. Wow. I should have got a boneless.
Why? But this beef is everything.
Wow. I think this is the feet. The tomato, grilled tomato. It's delicious.
Can I get the bread, maybe? A little bit?
You want half of this?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That one half.
So I want to eat the other one. Is it good with the bread?
Yeah, with the bread, yeah. Oh yeah, definitely.
Is that gourmet substitute with bread? I don't know if you're supposed to eat it like that.
Anything that you're not supposed to eat it like something, don't listen to that.
I think this is eggplant, because kind of tastes like eggplant, but it's bomb. I love this one. It is eggplant.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's bomb.
I really don't know how eggplant tastes. I'm not a big fan of it.
Me neither, but this one's good. The bite of the chicken. Oh my god, so
Love
good.
it, yeah. I'm kind of full, yeah. It's actually a big plate.
They put a lot of rice, a lot of meat.
Yeah. I ate two of these things. Two of these lamb chops.
You know what I just noticed? We're so hungry. We didn't even connect our mic.
For real?
Yeah, I mean, you can still hear it. They can still hear us.
Oh yeah? Okay.
My mic would have been like, sound bad. So if this video sounds kind of weird,
I'm so sorry, guys.
sorry, forgive us. We were starving. We came home and we just fucking sat down to eat. Not joke.
With you guys though, right?
Mm-hmm. Are you eating Indian style?
Persian style.
Persian. I'm just a Persian eater with him.
With their feet then?
I think they use.
Their toes? They use their tippy toes?
No, I think they use it initials.
And then they go like this?
No, they don't do that. I don't know. I don't think so.
So, a couple things. Don't get this carbonated, for number one. Order your food ahead of time because it takes a while, okay? And one of the main things that you gotta try is this one. And the name is her ex-boyfriend specials, honestly.
Name is Gourmet Sabzi.
Her ex-boyfriend special.
Gourmet Sabzi.
Yeah, gourmet sabzi.
Gourmet
Gourmet
Sabzi.
sabzi.
Sabzi means vegetable. Gourmet, I don't know.
So, yeah, and we'll probably, put the name on there. What else? Lamb is bomb. If you want to go down and dirty, get the bone in. If not, you can get beef and chicken.
Combination.
And then mix the foods up. It's so bomb when you mix the foods up. I'm actually full, guys. So, you know, can't finish this freaking plate. It's so long. Good amount of size. Good amount of size.
How much food we have left?
Yeah. So.
There's the food we have left. Like,
yeah, I'll show you mine.
Can I finish it?
You can save it for the next day. I still have some rice and I still have some like 2 lamb chops, 2.5 lamb chops.
I have a lot of meat. I ate a lot.
I ate a lot. And, but this is good too. Like I said, it's like the 5th time bringing it up, but get this one not carbonated, and it's pretty good. Goes with the food. Goes by itself too, huh?
It's really good. I mean, if you like some people like carbonated. Like, I had a friend, she didn't like the regular one. She had the carbonated, she loved it.
Yeah.
So it depends.
It's a yogurt drink.
Yeah.
If you guys haven't tried it, try it. Buy one and try it. You know, if it's 2 of you.
For Bengalis, I can say it tastes like burhani. We have a drink called burhani, but the burhani is like has more flavor on it, like a lot more flavor. And this one is kind of plain. I don't know if you remember, if you tried burhani when you went to Bangladesh. They give you in every wedding.
Oh yeah?
But we didn't drink that because, you know, you weren't ready.
It was cold drink.
Yeah.
Right? It was a cold drink?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I couldn't do cold drinks. It had to be hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this one, it tastes like those. This one's plain without any flavor. But that one has a lot of flavor. That's a difference. But I still like it. It's really good. But I'm not a big fan of carbonated, so that's why I'm not really liking the carbonated.
It's my first time trying the carbonated one, and I'm not a big fan of it either. No. Now for Latinos, this tastes like nothing I've ever tasted. Actually, I don't have anything, so just fucking try it. I have no fucking explanation for you what. And it's not milk. It does not taste like milk. So it's just different. It's
you can find it in a lot of grocery stores.
Yeah, you can find it in a bunch of grocery stores. They'll have it. Yogurt.
It's called yogurt drink.
Yogurt drink. Other than that, guys.
So I think we'll finish up the video here because we both are full. Finished our food, say what we like, and the location of the restaurant. So if you guys go, don't miss out Persian food. Go ahead and try it. It's really good. Right?
Yeah, it's really good.
How you gonna rate this? Out of 10.
10? It's good. It's delicious. Wow.
I know, you don't want to miss out, right?
Yeah.
But also something you don't want to eat every day because it's a lot of rice.
It's almost the same as Indian food. You know, it's a little pricey, but...
It's almost same category of Indian food, you can say, but it's more drier, where Indian food has a lot of sauce.
Yeah,
more gravy on it.
Like chicken and all that is like, you know,
curry
and all that stuff. Yeah. Right here, like you see how we have the meats out. Yeah.
It's dry. It's like, we have that kind of food too. It's called kebab. But yeah.
Let us know, comment below if you guys have any other ideas of other foods to try. You know, we'll be happy to make a video up for that. And what else? You know, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel. Like this channel. Or like this video. And yeah, we'll be doing another video of food and stuff. Yeah, and let us know what other video you guys want us to do or want to see. We can do it too. It could be food, it could be shop with me, it could be anything. Like, we're up for anything, right? Yeah. So just comment down below so we can have more video ideas for you guys. Until then, bye. Allah Hafiz, adios.